Article 15 of the Indian Constitution says that no person shall be discriminated on the basis of gender, caste, color, race, place of birth, etc. But do you know this thing that this particular article is implemented successfully or not? The answer is no. Why? Because after the adoption of Indian Constitution, it has been 7 decades, but still women are fighting for their equal rights. Hello everyone, welcome to the in news series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about special child care leave for women and is it constitutional or not. So this session is important for GS2 perspective. So moving towards the points of discussion part. First of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we'll have a discussion on the case, that what is case about, and after that we'll have discussion on that what is the Supreme Court declaration about this particular case. Then we'll have a discussion on a prelims question. After that you have to like, share and subscribe to the Drishti IAS channel. Moving to the news part. So on Monday, Supreme Court has declared that participation of women in workforce is a constitutional right. It's not just a privilege, it's a constitutional entitlement and women have right to do so. And the discussion is more about this. So that's why we have taken this news. Moving to the next slide. Next slide is about what was the case. So there is a woman in Himachal Pradesh who is an assistant professor. So women needs a special care leave for her child. And why she needs? Because first of all, the child is very much small and the child is suffering from a genetic disorder which is known as osteogenesis imperfecta. And because of this osteogenesis imperfecta, the child has gone multiple surgery. So in that situation, the woman has exhausted all her leave, sanctioned leave. So she needed extra leaves for taking care of her children, and she was denied to that leave because she has already exhausted her sanctioned leave, and the authority of the college and authority of the state has said that we don't have this kind of provision, so we could not give you extra child care leave. So this was the case. And what had happened after that she went to the High Court after that, and High Court has also said the same, that we have not adopted a special child care leave kind of thing, so that's why we cannot give you special child care leave. After that she went to the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court has asked the state authority that we are not saying that you should adopt the child care policies which has been adopted by the Central Civil Services, but you should give some child care leave to the women. Meanwhile, the case is into the Supreme Court and she has been assisted by Additional Solicitor General, and meanwhile the Supreme Court had said that you have to grant her some special leave so that she can take care of her child. So this was the case, and Supreme Court has made few observations. We'll read that observation. So this is the non-adoption of the provision of the child care leave, and because of that she could not granted that leave. And it is written in which part? So it is under the Rule 43C of the Central Civil Services Leave Rules 1972. Though it has a separate rules for the special children, those who are suffering and those who are physically different. So we will also discuss that thing. And because Himachal Pradesh has not adopted such kind of statute, so that she has to suffer and she is not granted that kind of the leave. So this is the court observation. We are going to discuss that there was a commission formulated, and commission also said the same thing, that because of the non-adoption of the policies and Central Civil Services rules, we could not give you and we could not grant you leave for the child care. So what the Supreme Court had said about this particular thing? So Supreme Court observation. So the bench consists of the Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice J.B. Pardiwala. And in that observation, Supreme Court has declared that participation of women in workforce is a matter of not just privilege, but it's a constitutional in nature. And if you will not allow any women that she should be granted special child care leave, it means that you are depriving women to become a part of workforce. And women of this country consist among around 50% of this population, and it is very unconstitutional that if you will not allow a certain segment to be part of the workforce, because Article 15 says that there shall be no discrimination with any gender, any caste or place of birth person who wants to work and she is not allowed to work because a care leave has been not granted to her because she is a woman. You cannot do that. So this is the Supreme Court observation regarding this thing, and Supreme Court has said that a special leave should be provided till the immediate effect, until the time her case should be resolved, and every woman should be granted that kind of the leave. And if any state has not adopted such kind of the policies, then state has come to another kind of the policies which advocates the women rights, which advocates the special rights for the women. So this is the Supreme Court observation about this, that it has advocated that women's subserts is an important constitutional objective as it ensures that women are not deprived of their due participation as members of the workforce. So otherwise, what we have seen that there will be the less amount of women in workforce, which is not good for a democratic country, which is not good for any constitutional abide country. So moving towards the question part. So the question is, consider the following statement regarding Article 15, and the first statement is, the state shall not discriminate against any citizen on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them. It shall prevent the state from making any special provisions for women and children. Here they are asking the correct statement. You have to answer in the comment section. I hope you like this series. If you have any issues related to the series, kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you for your time. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.